Ensuring operational continuity, security, and competitive advantage is crucial for any business. This case study highlights the choice between on-demand IT support and managed IT services as pivotal. On-demand support services may seem convenient, but leads to unpredictable cost, extended downtime, and reactive problem solving. Managed IT services offer continuous support, proactive maintenance, and predictable expenses, fostering strategic growth. Without a long-term IT partnership, businesses face frequent emergencies, increased cost, and vulnerability to cyber threats. Managers can struggle with IT issues, reducing productivity and increasing stress. Partnering with a managed IT service provider ensures operational stability and a competitive edge.